We've collected the top cat names from over 2.8 million new cat owners who used findcatnames.com to pick a name for their cat. If you're looking for more cat names, check out the site where you can search for cat names by category. Now, on to the top cat names. Nala has topped the chart for female cat names for the last few years and shows no sign of slowing down, especially with the remake of The Lion King that came out. Kiki and Rose are new additions to the top 10 names this year, moving up from spots 15 and 25. The top male cat names also has a Lion King name in the top spot for the 4th year in a row. Tiger and Oreo dropped off the top names, and Archie and Finn jumped into the top list. This might have something to do with Prince Harry and Meghan Markle naming their son Archie, and Finn being a featured character in the new Star Wars trilogy. While we think most of the top names will stay pretty consistent this year, we expect that these names from upcoming movies may increase in popularity during 2020. New TV shows and movies are always a great way to find unique cat name ideas. For even more popular cat names, we've pulled the top 10 names for each of the top categories on findcatnames.com. Cute cat names has been our most popular category year after year. Tough names is a popular category, especially for male cats. These strong-sounding names are great for reflecting a kitten's tenacious personality. We've seen a big increase in the popularity of food cat names, which can be both cute and funny. The top sports names come from great athletes like Tiger Woods and Muhammad Ali, as well as general sports terms like archer. Like we mentioned, movies and TV are great sources for names. In addition to the Lion King names that topped our list, here are a few more popular names. Geeky cat names are perfect for people who love technology, video games, or comics. Show your passion with one of these nerdy names.